right, this is number 9 on the Math 3 EOC practice test. The function f of x is given by the equation. The values of the quadratic function h of x is in the table. So we have two different functions here. You need to make sure you are aware this is, trying to highlight it here. Okay, so this is f of x and this is h of x. So the table is h of x and the equation is f of x. All right, so what does it say? Which statement about the y-intercept of f of x is true? So f of x is my first equation. And what makes it true? So it says it's 12 units above the y-intercept, 8 units above, 6, or 4. So basically we need to look at the y-intercept of these equations. All right, so if we have f of x, if we distribute, we're going to have 3x squared plus 6. When there's no linear term, this is our y-intercept. So we've got a y-intercept of plus 6. So if you come down here in the table, you can see that x is 0, y is negative 6. So this would be the y-intercept of h of x. So h of x has a y-intercept of negative 6. So if you know that, even if you don't know the whole equation, you know that's the y-intercept because your x is 0, which means at 0 it goes up negative or down negative 6, and you have a point there on the graph. So that means from 6 to negative 6, it says which statement about the y-intercept of f of x is true. So from this one to this one, it is 12 units above the y-intercept of h of x. So that is true. It's not 8, 6, or 4. Now, if you can't do that by just simply looking at the graph, if you don't remember all the things about your graphs, what you can do is plug this in your table, in your calculator, and let it write an equation. And then if you have the two equations, you could graph those and visually look at it, or have it write an equation and then know that the y-intercepts are that far apart.